Hello and welcome to our idiom in a minute. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about this idiom, good riddance. What does it mean? To indicate that you are pleased that someone has left or that something has gone. Example, he's gone back to London in a huff and good riddance. Waste time. Complete the sentence. She is gone and your answer is great. Good riddance. Summer is finally over and I say your answer is splendid. Good riddance. Let's recap. Good riddance used to say that one is glad that someone is leaving or that something has gone. Keep on trying.